Are you interested in how food is grown? My name is Dr. Sarah Hind, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Crop Sciences. You may not know it, but Illinois is considered the pumpkin state because our farmers produce about half of all the pumpkins that are grown in the United States, particularly those pumpkins used to make canned pumpkin. My research group is interested in how to manage bacterial diseases that infect pumpkin plants, particularly a disease called bacterial spot disease. Please meet two undergraduate students who have been working in my research group on projects related to this important disease.
Hi, my name is Daisy Patino. I am a sophomore in the College of ACES. My major is crop sciences with a concentration in plant biotechnology. I have been part of the Ignite research program for 2 years now, and I have been working under the Hind lab since my freshman year. Overall, the lab experience is something I would recommend. I'm grateful for being able to be part of this lab and being able to work with these different peoples and seeing how their research goes and how it has grown since like over the past 2 years since I was a freshman and to me now being a sophomore. And I hope to be able to continue seeing it grow later on.
Hi, I'm Kayla Vittori, a junior in the plant biotechnology major in the College of ACES. I work as an undergraduate intern in the Hind Plant Pathology Lab, where I've been with the team since my freshman year, when the Ignite program assigned me Dr. Hind as my mentor. In the lab, I assist with experiments characterizing different strains of the Xanthomonas cucurbitae bacteria on pumpkin and its relatives. Lately, I've been working with fruit inoculations. I go into the greenhouses to manually pollinate our Casperita pumpkin plants. Then, when fruits are produced, I help inoculate the rinds with the bacteria. As the disease progresses, we observe how it behaves differently between different stages of pumpkin development. In future steps, we'd also like to explore how different strains of Xanthomonas cucurbitae behave when causing fruit disease.
I hope that you've enjoyed meeting two of the undergraduate students doing research here in the Department of Crop Sciences. We're always looking for new students, so please join us here at the University of Illinois and get involved doing research about how food is grown and so much more.